Hey guys, welcome back. Today I am unboxing some beautiful jewellery. The brand of the jewellery is called Jeulia or Jeulia. I don't know which one it is. It could be like a silent J, but I don't know. And I am so honoured that this company wanted to work with me. So, disclaimer, this is a sponsored video. And I am so happy. So happy this company reached out to me. So, Jeulia is a premium artisan jewellery website. This means they make top-end jewellery and they use only the finest ingredients, and they make such amazing, beautiful jewellery, guys. I've looked at their website and I had the chance to pick one item and I picked it, and you are going to die when you see it. Before I get onto the video, I want to show you my nails. I have had them done. Oh, what's this? Guys, sorry, I've got some mascara on my thumb. So these are my nails and they are absolutely stunning. What do you think, guys? They took a long time and they have grown on me, because when I first got them done, it wasn't what I really wanted. I wanted more of a kind of a golden kind of colour. But this is more of a buttery gold, but I think they look so cool. And I like the shape. I do like the shape. They have grown on me, guys. And I think it goes really well with black. I think it really makes my outfit pop. So I'm just going to read you a brief kind of background story on Jeulia. So you know about the website, you know about the products. So, brand story. With Jeulia, jewellery is more than an accessory. It represents something much bigger. Through jewellery, we're afforded the ability to not only personalise a look, but also evoke emotion and create memories. This is the very mentality Jeulia is founded on. We create premium, artisanal jewellery, that word always gets me, that embodies both who you are and what you stand for. Jeulia is owned and operated by Genosi Trading Co. Limited, designed and handcrafted in-house at our state-of-the-art studio headquartered in Hong Kong. So this has come all the way from Hong Kong, guys. Each beautiful piece is custom made to be as unique and authentic as you are. True artisanship comes from caring hands, not an assembly line, which is why our workshop always puts quality and, most importantly, you first. So they make these beautiful pieces of jewellery by hand. So I'm going to get onto the unboxing, guys. So it has just arrived today and I'm so happy. And I want to tell you something, the jewellery is going to match my nails. So I'm so happy that I've had my nails done just in time for this delivery. This is the jewellery. It comes in a beautiful box. And it says premium artisan jewellery. I hope I'm saying it right. Artisan. Is it artisan? I don't know. I don't know how to say that. So it's their 5th anniversary. That's so cool. So when you open it, I haven't actually opened it. Ooh, wow. So guys, I must tell you first, you are entitled to 10% off site-wide with the code F10. And you get 15% off over $150 with the code F15. So remember those, guys. I will put the links in the description box as well. So in the box, you get a little thank you for your purchase card. You get a little return and exchange conditions. You get a beautiful little book, this looks like. So it has all the jewellery. I mean, look at all the jewellery. Just absolutely beautiful, guys. You get gold jewellery, silver, about our metals. It's honestly insane, guys. Such beautiful handcrafted jewellery. Can you see? And you also get, wow, a little gift bag. So this is a little gift bag. That's so sweet. I love gift bags. You know me, I love kind of keeping gift bags. And this is the product. So here it is, guys. I'm going to unbox it with you. So it comes in a really nice, kind of really soft material box. Wow. And this is the bracelet, guys. Oh my God. Whoa. So I'm just going to pull up actually the bracelet. I want to tell you all about it. Look at this. I picked this because it reminded me of the the Hermes, no, isn't the Hermes, it's the Cartier bracelet. So this bracelet is $195. And it is made from, it's very, very heavy. It's made from sterling silver. So it's very, very, very like luxe. It feels heavy. The product description is, stunning and sparkling, this bangle will capture your heart at first sight. Crafted in gold tone sterling silver, set with 6 glistening stones on the high polished shank. The bangles show simple elegance and timeless beauty. It's a nice gift for loved ones or yourself. Wow. So look, guys, I'm going to actually put it on now. So what you do, you kind of click it open. And here we go, guys. What do you think? Oh my God. This is gorgeous. It matches all my jewelry. I don't have a bracelet. So when they reached out to me and asked if I wanted to pick a bangle, pick something from the website, I had to get a bracelet. This looks so, so gorgeous, guys. Look at the stones. Wow. Oh my God. I was worried it wouldn't fit me because I've got quite, I don't know, it just looked like it wouldn't fit, you know, because it's really, really small, but it fits really, really well. It hangs really well. What about if so you can even wear it over your kind of, it's nice to wear with like a longer t-shirt. God, it's fucking gorgeous. I'd love to see what it's like at night, you know, when it's dark. So guys, this is so, so nice. And do you know what I love? I really like kind of gold jewelry. I don't like silver jewelry. Like, I just think gold kind of matches me, you know, with my hair. And look how amazing it looks with my nails as well, guys. I am in love with it, guys. It is absolutely beautiful. How stunning. And I love the gold. It's a lovely kind of buttery gold. Let me just turn the light off, see if it kind of glistens. Oh, wow, look. You can see it kind of in its true entirety now, you know, without the lights. It's so gorgeous, isn't it? So guys, let's turn the light on. I hope you've enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for Jeulia for sponsoring this video. I really appreciate it. It's absolutely something, I can't believe how amazing. It feels luxe. It feels heavy. And it just looks, it's a statement piece. You can wear it up, you can dress it down, you can wear it every day. You know, it just spoke to me, guys. It's just stunning. It really, really is a gorgeous, gorgeous piece. So guys, thank you so much for watching my unboxing. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, comment. Let me know what you think of the video. Would you kind of purchase from here? I ask you to just check the website out. I'll put the discount links in the description box. There's so much. If it was up to me, I would have chosen about 15 items. There's so much to choose for. It's a perfect gift for yourself or a loved one. It is just beautiful. I can't wait to wear this in all my videos. So thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, let me know what you think of the video, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye guys.